does it feel like, guys? But this is going to be cut down.
Yes!
Welcome to the Purple Mattress Factory in this little town of Grantsville, Utah. This place is ginormous, and it's the place where all of the Purple mattresses are manufactured. So today's video is sponsored by Purple Mattress. You guys have seen that we've been building a home over the last few months, and we want everything to be perfect in that house, perfect as possible. We reached out to Purple Mattress and they said, yes, we will hook you up with some mattresses. Why don't you come see our factory? And then we're gonna go try out some beds and pick some out. So get ready for a factory tour.
Let's go see some perfectly purple.
I said perfect a lot, didn't I?
Yeah, perfect
I
and
didn't
purple.
want to tell you, but you
Yeah,
did.
perfectly
You just
purple.
told me. Safety glasses on, everybody. We're going in.
Let's go.
First thing, this place is massive. It's 574,000 square feet, which is 7 football fields or 5 Walmart supercenters. It's huge. And there's a lot of things in here that I can't show you because Purple Mattress makes their mattress in a way that nobody else in the world makes it. They have over 100 patents that protect their mattress, and so we're gonna show you as much as we can today. This is the beginnings of the mattress. This right here is hyper-elastic polymer. It feels amazing. This is all the ingredients, everything together before they run it through the machines and make it into the Purple mattress.
It feels amazing.
What does it feel like, guys?
Squish it and it feels like rubber. If you squish it really hard, it feels like...
It feels like, yeah, it does feel like
Yeah.
rubber if you squish it really, really hard.
This right here is the mattress that we just saw them cutting, and this is before they put a powder on it so that it won't get all sticky.
It's
really
weird. I love it though.
It's really nice. It just came out of the machine too, so it's really nice and warm.
Nice, soft, classic Purple mattress right here. And if you're wondering why I'm filming this way, it's because everything around us in this section is the secret sauce of how each Purple mattress is made that is entirely unique to Purple. And I can't show any of the machines because they are incredibly top secret. There's only 5 of these machines in the entire world, and they're right here in the building right next to where I'm at. So while every Purple mattress has those grids, those purple grids that are on the top of it, the base layer, like underneath it, can be different in the Purple mattresses. So you kind of want to see which one is the right fit for you. They take this foam bed, they make it go through here, and then over here are the actual coils that they drop down in and put inside of the bed, seal it in before they put the grid on it. And then it goes down the assembly line all the way down to where they're gonna do the next step.
When you lay on a mattress, you don't really realize how much is going into it. I just think it's crazy how many steps there are.
And this is kind of a thing where I typically would think of this happens like in a big manufacturing facility in like China or somewhere overseas. But this is like literally in our backyard. We live in Utah, and this is basically creating jobs for people in our backyard. To have everything from the raw materials to the package being shipped to somebody's door happen here in America, that's kind of a special thing.
It's so cool if that's somebody's mattress. Like they will spend thousands and thousands of hours on that mattress, every one of these.
I did not think about that, but yes.
Yeah.
Somebody will enjoy lots of sleep on their mattress. The next and final step is to put it inside of this machine that is going to squeeze it and shrink wrap it down to 2 inches thick. Look how small it is! There it is! It's rolled up in a little ball. These mattresses weigh anywhere from 60 pounds to 200 pounds. So they have this vacuum, alien looking robot machine right here that suctions it and grabs it and picks it up. That is one cool machine. Right now you're looking at robot number 6. And he's the one that's in charge of getting this plastic wrap all around it before it is put away and stored or shipped. You know how Elon Musk is like, robots and AI are gonna be taking over the world.
That was amazing.
I can see it right there. I think we should ask if you could get wrapped up by that machine. I once was in Portland, Oregon, and I saw a guy completely wrapped up in saran wrap, and he was just like standing there sweating, and he had a whole crowd around him, and people were giving him money. I refused to give him money because I'm like, he just wrapped himself in saran wrap in his underwear, and he's bouncing around the streets. Why are we giving him money? Do you know what that is right there?
That's a truck.
Go check it out. You're in the back of a pickup truck, a semi truck. It's not like an elevator. This thing carries like hundreds of thousands of pounds. This is my family. Here's everybody. Nope. Right now we are stuck in a maze of mattresses before they're turned into the full purple mattresses. You see those videos that are like 24 hours in whatever? How about 24 hours in a mattress factory? You could make some killer forts and hiding places. Hey! Where is everybody? London, I found you! Oh no, she didn't come on. If you look back to the history of purple mattresses where they started from, a lot of it was in seat cushions and like cushions for wheelchairs and different things. This is the ultimate cushion for your bum. That's the tagline. And then the founders were like, how could we take this material and make something interesting that would work really well for a bed? It was only like 4 or 5 years ago that they started the company. And now here we are in this factory that they're actually outgrowing and they're looking for more factories. It's huge. What is it? Pillows and sheets. Purple sheets, purple pillows, purple everything.
Sheets make me happy.
Beds don't make you happy, but the sheets do.
No, beds with sheets.
We got the tallest ladder that I could find, and I'm a little scared to be up here, but all right, get up here, come on. Check this out, behind me we have thousands and thousands of mattresses. Purple is gearing up for Black Friday right now, and behind me you're seeing thousands. I don't even know how many mattresses are behind me. I would say 5 or 6 of these mattresses are going to be for our house. We need to actually lay on them and test them out. Think about it, you spend like half of your life on a bed. You might as well have the best mattress possible that you can get. Okay guys, we have 4 mattresses to choose from. Purple 1, 2, 3, and 4. The actual squishy purple part that's the top is different sizes. So the purple 2 is 2 inches, the purple 3 is 3 inches, and the purple 4 is 4 inches. Why would you want the bigger ones? Well, if you're somebody that's a little bit heavier like me, and you're a side sleeper, you might want the purple 4 because it has more of the purple material on top of it. It's a little bit more squishy, but maybe for Leslie, who she's a lot more lightweight, she might want it to be a little bit lower, like maybe a 2 inch or a 3 inch.
Lights under the bed.
Oh, that is so soft. Oh, this is perfect. So we only need to get 1 bed for all 3 of you guys.
No.
We've been in this store for way too long, mostly because we haven't decided yet. And
They're all so comfortable, like they really are.
and we're trying to decide between 4 beds. As far as which beds that we actually pick out, I think we're going to not tell you right now, and we're just gonna wait until we order them all and get them to our house and put them into the house, and then we'll show you where we're putting them, why we're choosing the ones we're choosing. I hope that you enjoyed the factory tour. Thank you, Purple, for sponsoring this video. It is pretty close to Black Friday, so if you're thinking of buying a Purple mattress, you're probably going to get the best discount that you can get of the entire year right now. So you can check them out. We'll put a link in the description to Purple and go check it out.